Well, howdy, folks. This is about the simplest radio you can get. This is one of Jeff's radio. He recently got it. It's a brand new model. Um, got it from Walmart. It's a DSP based AM FM radio. You got it for $12.88 at Walmart, and we're going to show it to you right now. Here we go. See one of these radios that hangs on a rack. And there it is. And here's the paperwork. And that's it, besides a piece of cardboard. So here's the manual. Pretty straightforward. As a matter of fact, there's more instructions in here about safety instructions than there are operating instructions. Okay, AM and FM uses two AA batteries, and I'm going to show it to you right now. It has a belt clip on the back. Two batteries go in here. Telescopic antenna, which is for FM, which is about 8 inches. Wow, that is simple. Up here we have an earphone jack, the on-off and band select, and over here we have the it would help if I had it in the screen of the camera. We have tuning and volume, and there's the tuning dial. And we will turn it on AM first, all the way over, which it's probably directional. I'm in the middle of the band, so let's go all the way to the beginning of the band, and we'll see here in a second whether it's directional.
5-5.
Ooh, a little sensitive on the tuning.
Those guys, they're back. Jason Light did a great job. He got all.
Not too bad. Sound.
Like has in his DNA. He's able to bring all of his guys back.
Plenty of volume. There's a
to win a Super Bowl. Yes, things got
power monitor. That's what that is.
You know, obviously you can't mess it.
So that's on all the time as long as the radio's on. Picks up a lot of stations. Wow.
And then, you know, they have a set of stairs right down to the bottom. Right, the chute. Tampa. Duck.
10 points in Georgia.
Gotta stay away from music.
3 in Pennsylvania.
I'll show you a little bit of shot of the dial.
I've never hit my kids. Wouldn't even think of hitting
Wow.
them.
Just barely moving, and it's another station. So it is a DSP, so it locks in. Once it finds a station, it locks on it.
Live from the headquarters of Ramsey Solutions.
I have to hurry through the music.
Nothing is impossible.
Okay, that was pretty good. That was AM band. We'll go to FM. Again, watching for music. Gotta move fast. Sorry I can't dwell on our music. Trying to get the station from Tampa down here, the beginning of the dial. There it is.
The mercenary
There.
leader, which was specifically aimed
Plenty
at
of volume.
Shaibu, which
Wow.
galvanized a lot of dissent within the ranks of those serving
Not
in
bad
this
little
war,
radio
about
for
how Shaibu
$12.88.
about the degree of corruption, profligacy in the Russian military, and you know those are also issues that very much landed
Turn the volume
at
down.
Shaibu's doorstep. That said, Chagall
Pretty
was
cool.
one of the first
Bell
and
clip.
one of the only people who knew
So you could take this
what was going to happen.
on your daily
Played it very
jog
close
or
to the chest,
walk,
even with it.
or you could take it fishing and not have to worry about, whoops, I dropped it overboard. Oh my gosh. 'Cause it's only $12.88, brand new from Walmart. Let's see if it's an Emerson, well-known brand, Emerson, and it's an ER-7000 portable AM/FM radio with a built-in speaker. Yeah, and what they mean there is sometimes these little tiny radios, you can only use earbuds or earphones. They don't have a speaker. This has a speaker. It sounds very good, very clear, very loud. Thanks, Jeff, for loaning me these radios. And I want to thank you for watching. I appreciate everybody that stops by, and I really like those people that leave comments. That's helpful to everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.